Hello everyone, let's see another geometry problem from nmtc junior level 1. Problem says a square is inscribed in a right angle triangle as shown in the figure. This is the square inscribed in a right angle triangle. One leg of the triangle is twice the other. If the perimeter of the square is 64 centimeter, then length of the longer leg of the triangle is. With this, we need to find the length of the longer leg. So here we have been given that the longer leg of the triangle is twice the smaller one. So here we can assume that the longer leg be B unit and the smaller leg be A unit. So we can consider B is equals to twice of A, that is the twice of smaller leg. Now, if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel for more such videos. Here we have been given the perimeter of the square, which is 64 centimeter, from where we can easily find the side of the square. Now here you can see that the side of the square also work as the perpendicular on the sides of the triangle. That's this from the D we have this perpendicular on AC, and from this point D we have this perpendicular on CB. So here we can write the side of this squares as 16 centimeter and we will connect CD. Now we can see that this complete triangle is being divided into two triangles. So we can write area of triangle ACB complete triangle is equals to the area of triangle ADC plus area of triangle CDB. So here we can apply the area concept. So if we substitute the values of the area, that is half into AC into CB, that is the area of the complete triangle, that will be equals to half into, this is AC, we will taking this triangle, so this will be the base and this will work as the altitude. So this is 16 centimeter, and the other triangle adjacent to that is triangle DCB, for which the base is B, and we will take this as the altitude. Again it is 16 centimeter, so we have substituted the value. Here we will substitute the value of B as 2A and we will calculate the value of A easily. That comes out to be 24 centimeter. We need to find the length of the longer leg, which is twice of the smaller leg. So that's why the longer leg comes out to be 48 centimeter. That's the correct answer for this question. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like the video and subscribe our channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching.